welcome to Crafter's Story. It's Celeste here, and thank you so much for stopping by. So I've challenged myself to draw 5 botanicals with 3 shapes and 1 cheat. So I've got this leafy shape over here, and then I have a little straight line and a small little circle, and the cheat is that I'm allowed to curve this line. I don't have to use it as a straight line. So let's start with a cheat. And I'm going to curve my line, and I'm going to put my leafy shape at the top and just sort of stagger the leaf shape all the way down. Excuse me. My next one is going to be less of a cheat. I'm going to just go with a straight line. I'm going to go up with my first leaf, but this time I'm going to put a little line, stagger, almost like a ladder, stagger ladder my lines down, and then put the leaves on the ends, like so. And then I'm going to do a straight line again. And this one's similar to the first one, where I have my leaves, except that it's a straight line. I have my leaves just going off sort of as a step all the way down. But this time, I'm going to take my line, to run it through the middle of each of my leaves, and then I'm going to color in one side, and I'll do a better job of coloring them in another time. This time it's just to give you guys an idea of how this would look. And that one goes like that as well. All right, let's move this across. I'm going to curve my line again. Curve it up. Put my leaf at the top. And this time I'm going to, what I call, I don't know if this is really what it's called, but I'm just going to butterfly my leaves, which means that the little centers touch, like so. I'm going to run a little line just sort of halfway up each of the leaves. And then I'm going to step another line up, like that. And this is now when I'm going to use the little circle, 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 circle. These are my little berries. Okay, what did I miss? 1, 2, 3, 4. Here's number 5. This one, I'm going to come down with a straight line, up, across, up. Just sort of do this step ladder effect. I'm going to put a berry at the end of each of my steps. Okay, that line was a little ambitious, so I'll put a berry there, there, and there. Then I'm going to just sneak little leaves in here, there, and everywhere, wherever I can. What I like about this way of doodling is that I can use this as sort of a launching pad, idea sketch series, I suppose. And then you can take one of these and repeat them in a line as a page runner, or maybe as just an individual illustration in a journal or on a greeting card, wherever you feel that it will fit. I'm getting a little ambitious here. Okay, one more. One more, there you go. Okay, done. So there are my 5 little botanicals, and I did them all with just 3 shapes and 1 cheat. So my cheat is that I can curve my little straight line. So guys, I hope this is something that, which way am I going? This way. I hope it's something that you feel that you can do, because honestly, it is dirt easy if you just break it down, 3 little shapes, and then play with the shapes, see what you can do with it. I'm sure there's so much more, and that I've only thought of 5. There must be so many other ways that you can use your leaves to create shapes. So there you go. I hope it's something that inspired you, and I'll see you next time. Bye.